Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create Snapchat filter and here's how it's done. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll be taken to the camera screen where you can take snaps using different filters. Swipe through the available filters on the screen to preview them live. To discover more filters, tap the explore icon. You'll find this by tapping the smiley face icon near the capture button, then tapping on explore in the bottom right corner. In the Explore Lenses section, browse filters created by both Snapchat and the community. You'll find filters organized in categories such as For You, Face, World, Music, and more. Tap on any filter to try it instantly. And that is everything to know about how to create Snapchat filter. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.